Hi everyone. On the way to go get the Thursday morning blades. He left to go get the crescents. It's a little bit after 3. It's like 13 minutes after 3. Thursday morning. I got the sunroof open. And my brakes are squeaking because they're a little damp from the moisture. And when I had this looked over, they said the brakes look good, so what's causing it is the moisture in the brakes. So. Oh. They'll dry up and they'll stop doing that. Because as soon as I start using the brakes more, the moisture goes away and the sound stops. The suspension sounds normal until I get that fixed, but the brakes, after the moisture dries up, they're fine. And I'm going to stop it right here. Please like, please subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a good day. Bye.